Living the kind of life where your wealth does the heavy lifting. Let's dive into the first asset, a foundation that's right under your nose and could be the bedrock of your future riches. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate might seem like a no-brainer, but think of it as the heavyweight champion of assets. Property, whether it's residential or commercial, can provide passive income, appreciate over time, and here's the kicker: leverage. Imagine owning an apartment complex that generates cash flow while you sleep. The best part? It doesn't just make you money, it creates security. But beware, real estate is a long game. It's about patience, and in this game, patience pays off. Number 2. Stocks, dividends. Stocks, the roller coaster of the financial world. But if you play it smart, with a focus on dividend-paying stocks, you're in for a smoother ride. Dividends reward you just for holding the stock, giving you a recurring income without selling a single share. Now imagine you own enough stock to replace your day job. Would you still be snoozing that alarm? Thought so. Don't underestimate the power of dividends to supercharge your journey to wealth. Number 3. Index funds, ETFs. Not everyone has the time or stomach for stock picking, and that's where index funds and ETFs come in. Think of them as the all-star team of stocks, diversified and dependable. You're not betting on one stock but on the entire economy. Boring? Maybe. But boring builds wealth. You want a little excitement? Well, just look at how index funds have turned millions into billions for some. Number 4. A high-yield savings account. Wait, a savings account? Absolutely. But this isn't your average account. High-yield savings accounts offer rates that, while modest, are leagues above traditional accounts. Every dollar you save here works a little harder for you, keeping your wealth secure and accessible. And here's a pro tip: use it as your emergency fund so you're never forced to sell off other assets when life throws a curveball. Number 5. Your own business. If you want control over your wealth, owning a business is one of the most powerful assets you can build. Think about it: no cap on income, no limit to potential. Whether it's an online brand, a side hustle, or a full-blown company, a business puts you in the driver's seat. But here's the twist: many entrepreneurs quit right before the breakthrough. Stick with it, and you're not just building wealth, you're building legacy. Number 6. Digital assets. Digital assets are the new frontier of wealth, from websites to social media channels. Imagine a blog, YouTube channel, or an online course that brings income month after month. The demand for content, digital products, and e-learning is exploding. But the key here is persistence. Build it, nurture it, and soon, you'll have an income-generating machine in the online world. Number 7. Intellectual property. Whether it's a book, a piece of software, or a unique invention, intellectual property can generate income for years, even decades. Think of it as creating a tiny money-making robot that works for you 4/7. Sure, it takes creativity and hard work, but once it's built, the payoff can be exponential. And remember, the wealthiest people don't sell time, they sell ideas. Number 8. Precious metals, gold, silver. Now, we're not saying to go full pirate and bury gold in your backyard, but precious metals are a classic. They're a hedge against inflation, providing stability when markets swing. A stash of gold or silver doesn't just sit there, it holds value when everything else is volatile. You might not get rich overnight, but when markets dive, you'll be glad you have this fortress of security. Number 9. Bonds. Often overlooked by younger investors, bonds are a powerful way to diversify. They're essentially loans you make to companies or governments that pay interest over time. Reliable, less volatile, and perfect for balancing a stock-heavy portfolio. It's not flashy, but remember, slow and steady often wins the race. Number 10. Cryptocurrency. Now, here's where things get spicy. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have made millionaires out of early adopters. And it's a big but crypto is as volatile as it is promising. Think of it like seasoning, sprinkle it into your portfolio, but don't make it the main course. Done right, crypto can be an asset that transforms your wealth trajectory, but be ready for the ride. Number 11. Commodities, oil, gas, etc. Commodities are essential raw materials, like oil and gas, which power the world. Investing in them can provide income when demand spikes, but beware, it's not for the faint-hearted. However, if you time it right, commodities can offer high returns as they fuel both global economies and your bank account. Number 12. Collectibles, rare items. Who knew hobbies could make you rich? Collectibles like rare art, wine, or vintage cars aren't just fun, they're investments. With the right eye and patience, these items can appreciate significantly over time. Just remember, what's valuable is what's rare. Who knows, your passion could pay off. Number 13. Peer-to-peer lending. This is modern-day lending that bypasses the banks, allowing you to lend directly to individuals or businesses. You earn interest on your money, often higher than what traditional banks offer. But there's risk some borrowers default. So diversify within this space. A little risk here can mean impressive returns over time. Number 14. Your self-skills knowledge. Investing in yourself might sound cliché, but it's the ultimate asset. Every skill, every certification, every ounce of knowledge can translate into opportunities and wealth. Be it public speaking, coding, or marketing, sharpen your skills, and the returns will come. Remember, no one can take away what you've put into yourself. And last we have, number 15, relationships, networks. Lastly, and perhaps most surprisingly, relationships. A strong network can open doors money can't. Build connections, invest time in relationships, and offer value. Your network could be the bridge to new opportunities, ideas, and wealth. After all, success doesn't happen in isolation, it's who you know and what you've built together. So, there you have it, 15 assets that can pave the way to wealth and financial freedom. Now the choice is yours. Will you act on these insights or just let them drift away? If you're ready to learn more about how these assets can work in your favor, check out our next video on the power of compounding to see how small investments can turn into massive wealth over time. And remember, for more tips on mastering your money, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. What assets are you excited to start building? Let us know, and let's keep this journey to financial freedom going.
See you next video. Bye.